Hello everyone, this is Guide to Everything. In today's video, we have the faster multicolor prints with per layer filament changes in Bambu Studio. Now, the first thing that you want to do is just head over to a project. And from here, of course, you want to customize your object the way we want to. In our case, we are going to use this cylinder. Now, I'm going to make it as big as I want to because we are going to be changing the colors per layer depending on our situation. Now, from here, navigate through the project filaments and you can just click on the plus icon, which will simply add a filament. Click on the color icon and just add whatever you want to on this section. So maybe you want to add something like red, white, black, this other shade of red, and finally orange. After adding the filament colors that you want to modify onto your objects, just click on slice plate, and then the layer will actually show up on this slider right here. So what you want to do is to just bring down the slider to the part where you want to change color. Let's say this one. Right click on the slider itself, click on change filament, and let's change this into white. So on and so forth. Let's change it to black, and it will actually change the slider with it. And now let's do something like orange, and for the final one, let's do the other shade of red. And so if you click on the slice plate once more, it will apply the changes that we have made, and from there you are good to go. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.